Alright, well, that was a nice little run for this EM1. I think what I'm going to do is some math and just get a longer belt here so I can put a twist in it so these fans will turn the right way and blow air over the cylinder. But the pins that I Loctited in stayed put, so that's good. Didn't really expect them to come loose, but it's nice they stayed put. The ET7 didn't run real good. I fiddled around trying to get it started so long. It was barely had any fuel when I finally got it running, and I didn't fill it back up. The ET6 ran real nice today. Yeah, haven't heard anything about shipping on the replacement for the ET8 yet, but I'm looking forward to that. And even though I did that warning about it, I am looking forward to that ET8 to see how interesting that is to run and how it runs different from the hit and miss governed engines. And the ET6 is still my favorite. I like the little flyball governor and the side shaft, and it always seems to start right up pretty easily. Yeah, with the warm weather coming back, I will have to learn how to adjust these for the warm weather, of course, because they're hand tuned with the needle, obviously, and that means you have to adjust them every time the temperature changes a lot. But it's been a nice day, but I'm going to go in and get some other stuff done. So